Integrating Semrush social media toolkit into your digital marketing strategy can greatly enhance your online presence and engagement. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating Semrush social media toolkit. First, you need to create a Semrush account and set up your social media profiles. This includes connecting your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media accounts to Semrush. Once connected, you can access the social media toolkit, which provides a range of tools and features to help you manage and optimize your social media marketing efforts. The social media toolkit includes features such as social media tracking, which allows you to monitor your social media performance and compare it to your competitors. You can also use the toolkit to schedule and publish posts, engage with your audience, and analyze your social media metrics. To get started, navigate to the Social Media Toolkit section in your Semrush account and click on the Setup wizard. Follow the prompts to connect your social media profiles and set up your toolkit. Once set up, you can start using the various features and tools to optimize your social media marketing. One of the key features of the social media toolkit is the social media poster, which allows you to schedule and publish posts across multiple social media platforms. This feature helps you save time and increase your productivity by allowing you to manage all your social media accounts in one place. Another important feature is the social media analytics, which provides you with detailed insights into your social media performance. This includes metrics such as engagement rates, follower growth, and content performance. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and adjust your social media strategy accordingly. Best practices for integrating Semrush social media toolkit include regularly monitoring your social media metrics, engaging with your audience, and using the social media poster to schedule and publish posts. It is also important to track your competitors and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, integrating Semrush social media toolkit into your digital marketing strategy can help you enhance your online presence, engagement, and overall social media performance. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the features and tools provided by the toolkit, you can optimize your social media marketing efforts and achieve your digital marketing goals.